Hello everyone, this is Will. We're going to do a very quick unboxing of the newly released purple iPhone 12 256 gigabyte version. And I just already opened the package right here. It just came this morning, and I want to show you what is inside of the box. So also, this is a fake AirPods. I'm gonna open it to show you guys how fake it could be. So it's like this, big. I feel like I just pick up this cheap-made plastic AirPods on the floor of a public toilet. But anyway, let's put it aside. That's not our focus. And this isn't the charger. I wonder. I think it's a fake too. Yeah, I think it's a fake too. So I don't need the charger. I already got plenty of chargers from Apple. I think it's fake. Anyway, it's so cheap made. But it's heavy though, but I guess that's fake too. And this is the case, purple case, comes with the phone. I'm gonna open it right now, maybe later. Okay, this is the glass for iPhone 12. I already bought the new, tempered paper glass for my iPhone. And here's the phone. The phone is real. Very heavy, sturdy, and everything there. Okay, so this is the Chinese version iPhone. Obviously, it has a very advantage. It's very good advantage against the other versions of iPhones because it has two physical SIM card trays inside this phone. Okay, so it looks like it's original one. It's the real one, and you can peel here, right? Oh, it got the sticker right here. Okay, I'm gonna peel it anyway. How can I do it? Okay, see, there's a film, and there's another. Oh, jeez, please, let me just do it. Okay, do it this way. Oh, before that, so this is the purple one, right? 256. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know if it's in the focus, but anyway. I'm gonna peel it. It is our original one. I can tell you that from the feeling of the unboxing. Okay, so now truth time. There we go. It's a purple one with a cable and the books and stuff, and that's it for the box, right? But the phone is really good. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the blue one version right here, right? Do a very quick comparison. It's much smaller than the the Pro Max. It's much smaller. Feels really good in the hand. And also, I'm gonna peel this off right here. Okay, all right. Put it back there. I'm gonna set this phone right now. Okay, but not with my ID. Just get very quickly into the phone and to see what kind of wallpaper it has. Okay, it's booting up. Hope it's fast. Don't want to waste you guys the time. Well, let's go. English, obviously, I don't want to choose China mainland, but I'll set up manual, well, what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, I'm gonna choose United States. Where is it though? United States. Where is it though? The very beginning? No, where is it? I just forgot. Forgot where is the United States. United States right here. Okay. Set up a manually. Continue. Not the Wi-Fi now. Maybe I'll try the Wi-Fi. Okay. All right. Activate your phone. Okay. I'll take it because this phone is so good. Looks so pretty. A little bit darker than the iPhone 11, I believe, because iPhone 11 has a purple one too. Oh, please, hurry up. Continue, set up later, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use it anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't transfer data in app. Should I use it? I don't want to use it though. Jeez, that's really annoying. Okay, let me just get it very quick. Sorry about the wait. Oh, verification code, of course, of course. Okay, agree. Meanwhile, let me open the case so that we have. I believe this case costs you like $40 or something. $40, yeah. This phone will cost you $1,000 with tax. Tax included. Okay, so continue. I don't know which one to choose. Manually, I guess. Or maybe continue. Oh, geez, which one is faster? Later, share, continue. Welcome. Okay, all right. That's a brand new iPhone right there, right? Okay, let's go check the what is the wallpaper here. There we go. So live, the purple one, I guess. You can press it, activate it. Pretty cool. Let me set as the lock screen. What about this one? Not so cool. But let's try this. Ooh, it's right there. Very good. I don't have a Face ID yet, but let me put the case on to see if it fits well. Does it blend in the color of the case? We will see. Oh, you. Okay, there. Pretty good, right? It's kind of girly, but who cares, right? I love the color, and I'm gonna use this phone for a while instead of my iPhone 12 Pro Max, because I think that phone is kind of too big for my hands. This phone feels right in my hands. Okay, all right. I guess this is the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.